Do you run a business and feel overwhelmed by bookkeeping? At Fusion CPA, we understand that balancing operations alongside financial compliance can be challenging. We also understand that once-a-year bookkeeping might seem like a quick fix, and in last-minute situations, it is. It feels cost-effective and seems to wrap everything up fast. But here's the truth. It increases errors from handling a year's worth of transactions all at once and leaves you without real-time insights for financial agility. Ongoing bookkeeping delivers more value as it gives you access to audit-ready financials year-round, streamlined processes that save you time, reduced errors in your financial records, monthly financial insights to make informed decisions fast, a stress-free tax season. But beyond bookkeeping, our controller services also manage financial performance to develop a long-term growth strategy. Here's what you can expect from us: day-to-day transaction management, monthly reconciliations, customized reporting, compliance monitoring, integration with accounting software. Ready to streamline your bookkeeping and unlock financial clarity? Connect with one of our Fusion CPA experts today.